Let's make some cake pops. So today we're going to make cake pops. You're going to start by using the supplies on the screen. You can pause it and take a note of all these supplies. I've already cooked my cake and I'm ready to start crumbling it up. I'm going to crumble it up very fine and then add my icing in. I used about 2/3 of a tub of icing and I mix it all together until it is this nice wet gooey consistency, ready to make cake balls. So I'm going to round the cake balls about the size of a ping pong ball and repeat until I finish all of the cake mixture. Put them in the refrigerator and let them sit for at least an hour to get hard. I'm going to get my floor foam ready, poke holes in it about 2 inches apart, make sure that the holes are big enough for the cake sticks. So now we wanted to melt our candy melt. We put the candy melt in the cappuccino bowl and we put about less than a tablespoon of Crisco in there. And we melt it on 45-second increments and stir in between until it's the consistency of runny ice cream. Now we want to put our sticks in our cold cake balls. So you're going to dip the stick, get some melted candy on the stick, and then shove it about halfway, a little over halfway through the cake ball. Do not go too far. You're going to put these back in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes to let that candy melt get hard. And then you're going to remelt your candy and repeat this process, but you're going to dip the entire cake ball into the candy melt. Use the thick sticks, helps. If the sticks are too thin, your cake balls are too big, they will fall off. So now it helps if you tip your bowl to the side and barely press your cake ball into the candy melt mixture. Get it coated. And then you're going to immediately want to sprinkle your decorations on. If your decorations are too large, then gravity will pull them off of the cake ball. If you sprinkle over a cup or a mixing bowl, then you can collect the droppings and reuse them. So once you've done this, you want to set your cake pop in the floral foam to dry and repeat the rest of your cake balls. If your candy melt mixture is too runny, the candy will drip down the stick. This will tell you to use less Crisco next time. If your cake pop falls off the stick, this tells you that you used too much icing in the cake ball mixture at the beginning of the steps. Different flavors have different consistencies, so there is a learning curve to getting it just right. But don't give up, keep practicing, and the great thing is that they still taste just as yummy, even if they fall off the stick. So after the candy melt dries for about 2 hours, you're ready to wrap them up. I use sandwich bags, the little foldy sandwich bags, and some curling ribbon and tie it, make it real pretty and put it in a cute little box for whatever the occasion is, and you're ready to go. You can freeze these for up to 2 weeks and they make great gifts for the holidays. Thanks guys, I hope you have fun making cake pops.